everyone, I'm Lori with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lori. Wait, no, sorry. I have glitter on. I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
I think I've been influencing her.
Well, I dressed up for our 1-year anniversary of making blankets, but
It's our 1-year anniversary.
I know. So I got Lori'd up. I mean, I put makeup on. I don't even do that. I haven't put makeup on in at least 3 years. So
For me?
yes.
You're so sweet.
And I didn't see any cake from me or nothing. I mean,
I didn't. I think I have some sparkling grape juice in the fridge.
Okay.
Shall we pop it?
Yes.
We should have done that.
We will
should.
afterward.
Yes, we sure will. We are doing the 2023 Stock Yarn Society unboxing today.
Yep.
2023. That's so exciting.
Do y'all think we got our blankets done?
No. I didn't get my blanket done. You're way closer than me.
Didn't, but we'll get into that in a minute. All right.
You're like way closer than me.
Okay, a mini in here. Excellent.
We're super excited about this one. I've had this one in the works since I think October.
And it's called Louis V with Kate
Spade. Is that the cutest? So this year's box, the 2023 box, is all about fancy, glamorous, high-end luxury.
Yes.
So
Now
yeah.
this extra, I actually saw a couple months ago?
Yeah, you actually brought it to me.
I got to stay with Sarah, who is the sexy knitter.
I designed these.
So I'm gonna get up to show these.
I'm super excited about this because I designed this with Sarah. I was like, hey, could you do this? And I love working with Sarah because she indulges every whim that I have.
I mean,
every time I come up with an idea,
Let's
she just makes it happen.
Look at that shoe.
I know, look at the back of it. Look at the crystal. Oh my gosh, I love it. The shoe kills me.
And
I love it.
it's kind of hard to hold these little ones.
And I mean, crystals. Who doesn't love sparkle?
Yeah, these are super fancy.
I'm like
and then
so
there's
in
another
love.
purse.
Yes. Yes.
Awesome.
So it was designed, the yarn was designed to match. It was designed to match. And I think it does a really good job.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of it. I cannot wait to cast this on.
Okay, I'm just making sure there's not.
So we're doing something a little different this year. We listened. We had people suggest that we give a little info card so that people have an idea of what's inside. And so that's what we did. And Sarah is
Covering
being
over the code.
super gracious and giving us a code. So if you go to her shop, you'll get with this code, you'll get a percentage off.
Yeah.
Of her store, which is a super generous price because it's 25% off.
And then you have a coupon in here.
Yes, we wanted to do something to thank you for staying with us for another year. So everybody is getting a scratch off, and this was fun to do. I love doing
It's
this.
so convenient. I'm already here today.
Yes. Stash.
And, okay. So, there's a pattern. And guess what, y'all? We're still making blankets.
We are. This is my sweet friend Christy, our sweet friend, and she did this blanket with the 2022 Stock Yarn Society, and I have been saying, Christy, you have to write that pattern. You have to write that pattern. Well, she wrote the pattern. So
And it's crochet.
yes, and she has given it to all of you. And so we're super excited about it.
Yeah. And the great thing is, if you're a knitter and you're like, oh, I don't want to crochet. You know what? A lot of knitters I know, they don't crochet except blankets. Because a crocheted blanket makes a nice, really thick, dense, warm blanket.
It does. And it's fast. It goes fast. So you can make a lot of progress on this in a short period of time.
And she's only using a single crochet stitch. So
Yes.
you can make this.
You can make this
Yeah.
because I think most of us know how to do a single crochet.
Yeah.
It's just a very basic stitch, and she's made the pattern so easy. So that's super exciting. So yes,
So let's talk blankets.
yes.
Okay, you're gonna show yours. You got yours out already.
I'll show you mine, but I am
You got the green
3
done.
months behind.
You did get the green done.
So yes, so I did all of this to here on Monday.
Do y'all remember last episode when she was like, "Oh,
I
it's
had
on.
just
We're gonna
barely
race."
got out. I didn't have a chance to race.
First of all, let me show y'all my new bag I got for this year's blanket.
I'm slightly jealous.
Yeah.
I need to order
This
one.
is by the Bay Bag Co. I love it. It's super sturdy. It has like 4 pockets on the outside, 2 pockets on the inside. Nice sturdy handles.
Yeah.
Easy to carry. All right, so
Yes.
I was really hoping to get mine done, but I didn't.
You got so far.
I went through the last border.
And by the way, I'm just going to say, I love how the November and
Yeah.
the December are playing with each other.
Yeah.
They look great.
So I have about an inch left of December color, and then I was looking to see how I started my blanket. I did not do the full border. I just started with 2 rows of wedding cake.
Yeah.
So I don't even need to do full border. I need 1 inch of this and then 2 rows of wedding cake, and I'm done.
That's awesome.
So by the magic of editing and technology, by the time this video goes up, hopefully I will put in a picture here of my finished blanket.
Well, I'm going on a trip,
Well-
and it's a 4.5 hour drive each way. So
There you go.
maybe I
There you
can
go.
get some of mine done too.
All right.
That's my goal. And then maybe I can send you a picture, and by the
Yep.
magic of editing, mine can be finished.
Absolutely.
If not, let's
Absolutely.
just say it is.
Yes.
Yes. Hey, let's talk about the 2023, how that one is going to go.
Yeah. So, do you want to say what patterns we picked first and talk about then the hashtag?
So I think we should say this, the 2022 hashtag the Chevron year itch ends January 31st.
Right, because your first subscription didn't go out till the end of January,
It
so we
didn't.
wanted to give you a full year.
Complete,
and so
yes.
after that, we will pull prizes.
Yes.
Um,
From the finished object thread.
Right.
And don't forget that if you used my yarn in our on Ravelry in the Arkansas Yarn Co group, there is a thread for the Chevron Year Itch blanket. And if you used Arkansas Yarn Co, take 2 pictures and put them in there,
Right.
you get 2 entries.
right. All right. So the new blanket, though, is going to overlap just a little bit. So
It
we're
is.
going to
That's
start
okay.
it January 1st.
Yes.
All right. The hashtag is nothing but double.
I love it.
So,
Hashtag nothing but double.
again, Lori thought of it.
Well, here's the deal. It's fingering weight yarn that we're holding double.
So Lori is going to be marling
I
hers,
am.
where she's holding 2 different colors together, but I am not marling. I really like the monthly colors to shine by themselves. So I am holding, just like this year, I am holding the same color double.
So one of the reasons why you're getting a mini and a full skein of yarn is if you also want to participate in marling, you have 2 colors to do that with. That was the intent. So we always try to think of everything here. You want to talk about what your blanket's
Sure.
going to be?
So kind of to go along with, things I've learned from the blanket making this year. We all know Lori's husband is 6'3". And my husband is 6'7", and we have long blankets.
always
and
have to-
and that's fine. But I have a ton of blankets at home, and I don't need a full-size blanket. I did enjoy making the blanket and having it completed within a year. But I saw this pattern, and this picture doesn't show it what I saw. This is, guess what? I'm using another free pattern this year, you go. And I am crocheting this year. So this is the Chevron Fade. It's by Hedgehog Fibers. And those things that she does, she makes basically a chevron per month, and she does do marling across with a fade. And she has like 17 sections. So I'm gonna make mine just a tad bit wider and do 12 sections. So one each month with a border around it.
That's gonna be beautiful.
Because one of the pictures on Ravelry shows it at the end of a king size bed, and that's what I want.
Yeah.
I have a king size bed. I either have white on it or navy. So I wanted something that's just kind of be a bold statement.
Yes, that'll be gorgeous.
And I had 3 skeins of this already in my stash for a sweater that I decided not to make. This is the color Silent Service, still in Yummy Sparkle. So this is going to be my border around each month.
I think that'll be gorgeous. I am going to be doing the melting Marl blanket from Stephen West. This is what I'm gonna do. So join me, or Lindsay, or pick your own pattern. But I will tell you this, I know that you have enjoyed it too. I have enjoyed every minute of this, even when I'm trying to rush to catch up with you. I have enjoyed every minute of this. This has been such a pleasure. So I'm very much looking forward to doing Stephen's blanket.
Well, like we talked about, I think the enjoyable thing is that I have a finished blanket. I am definitely used to be in one of the categories that thought, oh, I'm gonna make a blanket, and I start it, and then it sits, and it sits, and it sits.
It does keep you incentivized to keep moving forward in it, and I really love that about it. So.
And I'm really excited about this one because since I'm doing it just in little sections, in the summer I'm hoping to not have that where I get behind, because that was like the hardest part, is to have that on my lap in the summer when it's so hot.
I just turned my air conditioner down a little bit more. Actually, I'm always cold anyway, so it worked out great for me. But I love it. So the our new blanket starts January 1st.
Yeah, nothing but double.
Hashtag nothing but double.
Yep.
Yes. So we're excited.
Yes.
So pick a DK weight blanket and hold your Sock Yarn Society double, or any of your scraps. You don't have to use Sock Yarn Society. We're just giving you a way of using it. And I'm super excited for all the things that we have planned for this year, and the little bit of luxury that you're going to get every month.
And if you have ideas of blankets that you like that would be great for this, put them below this video. Ideas for other people that maybe want to make a blanket but don't know where to start.
Exactly. That's a great idea. Yes. And also, we love hearing from you. So that'll be perfect.
Yep.
All right.
All right. Here's to another year.
Yay. It's exciting. Thank y'all so much for supporting the Sock Yarn Society and our knit-alongs, our make-alongs. We really appreciate it. You can knit it or crochet it.
Yep.
So, yes.
All right.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.